been a pleasure.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Very happy?
I love this. I love it. I can't.
Compared to the first one, what's your feedback?
Well, the first one we both knew was going to be, because I've never done it before,
right.
It was going to be, let's see where this goes. Let's see what this does. Mm-hmm. And it was, for me, in my head, it was a shakedown cruise for my new hair. It looked great. I liked it. But this one, because we did shake it down. The color is a better match because we were able to
blend more gray.
You were able to figure out what it was because of the mechanics. All I said was, we need more gray right here. So, as pleased and as excited as I was about the first system I got, this one, my second system, is what we learned from the first. And I'm more than happy with it.
How does it feel on? Do you even feel it normally?
Except for like the first 2 or 3 minutes that it's on.
Uh-huh.
After that, you forget that it's not on. In fact, yesterday, when I took my first system off, and I do probably every 10, 12 days, just for simple maintenance, just for simple health care, hygienics, what have you.
Right.
For me, because I sweat. So, my neighbor knocked on the door and I answered the door without my hair on because I forgot I wasn't wearing it, because after a while, it's the same thing as wearing a Band-Aid on the back of your hand. You don't feel that Band-Aid 5 minutes after you're wearing it. And you forget that it's even there, and after a while, in fact, the first time I came in for my first adjustment, which was summer.
Yeah.
When we took that off, I looked in the mirror and went, that's not the guy I see anymore.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
This is the guy I see now.
How was it in the summer? Was it really hot at all?
No, you don't even know it's there. Wearing my Longhorn cap is warmer than wearing this.
Really? That's amazing.
Fact, even in the sun, because I work out in my yard. That's my therapy. Is working in my yard. And this summer in Texas was brutal, and I had the thing on the whole time. The only issue I had is because I sweat so much, some of my adhesive, because I use the liquid adhesive on the front, so I can peel it back and clean it. It's easier for me. Instead of the tape, just because it's easier for me. It's not the right way, it's not the wrong way, it's just the easiest way for me. So after I clean it, put it back on, 5 minutes after that, you don't know it's there, regardless of whether it's hot, it's cold. I've even thrown my hat on and walked out, because I remembered when I was like 16, when I had a full head of hair. Right. If I was not in the mood to wash my hair, I threw a hat on. Went to school like that plenty of times. Well, now, for the first time in more than 35 years, if my hair looks like hell, I just put a hat on it.
That's awesome. Thank you so much, and we'll be seeing you in about a month.
I'll be back.
Thanks.